Farm Girl here. So are you still boycotting? And if you're not, why not? Because this is what we're facing down on here in America. We need to be doing group economics. We need to be coming together buying land and farming and going back to the old ways of living and protecting each other's backs. This is what America looks like when the administration is lawless, and we need to protect our children, our grandchildren. So your black dollar matters. You need to support black owned businesses. You need to begin to pool with other people your resources that you can trust and begin to buy land and farm. I love my people. I want us to survive. We're now having to show our papers, our IDs, our passports to massa, because this is apartheid. This is slavery. Black and brown people have to prove who they are, or they are being detained by ICE. We need to do something. Are you funding your own demise? Are you supporting a business that support the Klan? Are you supporting a business that's going to cause you and your children to suffer later on? Stop giving your money to these companies. Support black owned businesses. Keep on boycotting. Farm Girl out.